What's up, bro? All good? Well, Aurelio is back another time with another great video. Are you ready? We start! Commercial Resupply Services are a series of contracts awarded by NASA from 2008-2016 for the delivery of cargo and supplies to the International Space Station on a commercial operated spacecraft. The first CRS contracts were signed in 2008 and saw the winners SpaceX for 12 freight missions and Orbital Sciences for 8 missions, with deliveries until 2016. In 2015, NASA extended Phase 1 contracts with both the suppliers of this service. This allowed Orbital to reach a maximum number of 11 flights during the first contract. Orbital Sciences began its supplies flight under the CRS-1 contract with the first mission designated ORB-1. During the ORB-3 mission, the rocket had a malfunction that caused the loss of the third Cygnus for the ISS. Following the malfunction, Antares 230 was improved with engines of the first newly built RD-181 stage to provide more useful load performance and greater reliability. In the meantime, the Orbital Sciences had contracted with ULA for an Atlas V launch of ORB CRS-4 in late 2015 from Cape Canavera, Florida. That mission also marked the debut of the Cygnus Enhanced, which will be used for all following CRS contract missions. After the ORB-3 mission malfunction, the next two Cygnus cargo spacecraft vehicles were launched with the Atlas V launcher. This allowed Orbital ATK to transport the load quantities provided by the contract to the ORB-7 mission. Thanks to the transition of a more powerful launcher and the introduction of the Cygnus Enhanced. The Cygnus Enhanced spacecraft is an expendable American cargo developed by Orbital Sciences Corporation and now manufactured and launched by Northrop Grumman Space Systems as part of NASA's Commercial Resupply Service program. It is launched by Northrop Grumman's Antares rocket or ULA's Atlas V, and it is designed to transport supplies to the International Space Station. The Cygnus spacecraft consists of two basic components, the Pressurized Cargo Module (PCM) and the Service Module (SM). The Pressurized Cargo Module is a cylinder inside which houses the various supplies. With the advance of the enhanced version, its interior space has been increased compared to the previous version. The service module is built by Orbital ATK and is based on the structure built for the LEOStar space system. Compared to the previous version, it is used the solar panels produced by Ultraflex, which provide an amount of energy equal to those previously used, but with a lower mass. Cygnus CRS-4 was the first mission to use the Cygnus Enhanced spacecraft. The Cygnus Enhanced PCM has an internal volume of 27 cubic meters. The Cygnus model kit is divided into 10 pieces in resin, 4 photoetch pieces reproducing the solar panels and a sheet of decals. The four main pieces of the Cygnus model kit reproduce the PCM, the propulsive module, the docking ring, and the con-trunk for the APAS version. The other pieces, all placed on the appropriate supports, constitute the fundamental elements for the realization of the model kit in its completeness. The photoetch will allow us to make the two wings of solar panels. These four parts will be folded as shown in the video attached here. Once the photoetch are mounted, you can proceed applying the decals. The model kit is correct and easy to assemble. Resin pieces are well made. They have some air bubbles, but with a fast grouting work, you can eliminate these small imperfections. The decals, as well as photoetch, are carried out in a workman-like manner and faithfully reproduce the real subject. So guys, also this time we have finished. See you soon next time. Bye! Adios!